Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Deval. In today's topic, we are going to learn about how to change Jupyter Notebook's default path. Make sure you have Jupyter Notebook installed. Run this. You can see here Jupyter Notebook getting start with its default path, which is the root path of the user. So let's say if you want to change it to some other path, you can easily do that. First of all, you need to go to CMD and use this command generate config. Now open this path, edit this file and search for notebook underscore directory. Yeah. Here what you need to do is just uncomment this line, copy your path of project folder. For example, I want to set default path to desktop Python envs. Yeah, just paste it here. Make sure if you are on Windows, convert this forward slash to backward slash. Just save it and rerun a Jupyter notebook. You can see the default path is changed to PyEnvs. That's all for the video. Thank you.